Here in California, acting like
It's kind of cold today, but
guys have done hanging out with ladies.
we are at the Oscars. Thank you.
5,000 and all that good stuff. And we'll talk to you guys later. Fist about to make it video. We'll get her done.
Wow. Isn't that cool how our hotel is just like, we can cut right through it and you have to walk around? Welcome to the rich styles of the famous.
People from out of town in the audience makes the show better.
What time are they?
2.
Look, what's that for? Huh.
That's what I'm saying. But if it's other people's shit, I don't want to hear it.
Catwoman.
Hello, hello. Come here, hot stuff. What diga?
Alright.
You want to go get spanked by Catwoman?
No, I should probably. We get mad. Oh, I definitely gotta film this one. Dude, your girl is so hot. Look at her stomach. It's sticking out. We got the best seat in the house. We just stand right here. Watch it, might grab your shit out of your hands and hold it tight. I guess that's what the strap is for, right? Let's figure that out. Who's that? Barbara Streisand?
Look at that, he just got mad because he only gave him $2.
Oh, really? What did he say?
He's like, what am I supposed to do with this?
He said, look at how Darth Vader's talking to Stormtrooper. He's like, what the fuck? That bitch just gave me $2. Like, what am I supposed to do? That's fucking hilarious, dude. Antonio Banderas. What you know about Great Bang? Dang, Britney Spears, she got a Britney Spears, she got the little star.
Where?
Parker.
We're gonna get a picture.
That's too.
Okay, I want a picture.
I'm just gonna stand here and film all the people that are walking by. Like, dang, look at that. They need to fix this. They just like, somebody came out here and like took out some of his stars. Who are you gonna talk to?
I want to go talk to you.
All right, where'd Shrek go? Maybe he went on a break. What?
Shrek fucking lost his marbles and started pushing me.
No, he did. Why?
Because he's like, get the fuck out of here, you know, trying to pay my bills. He just being bitches about it.
Why?
Because he wants to get paid, I guess.
How'd you do that?
Tips?
Wow. Yeah, the guy told me they got licensed to do that. You can't really. Isn't that crazy?
I don't know.
Yeah, man. It's California, doc.
Real California.
Yeah, there are motherfuckers out here trying to make some loot. Everybody's on a different level, dog. Oh, let's go this way. Where's Madame Tussauds anyway? I'm trying to make some money here. What a weirdo, dude. What are you tripping for?
One, two, three.
Ryan Seacrest.
How's Ryan Seacrest get a star?
So you like jazz? What I'm doing is getting my record out there. Just wanna-
سألت عن التور